hope you enjoyed the Climate Criteria Lab. Let's take a look at some of the concepts you learned. You now know there are many factors that affect an area's climate. Let's explore some of the factors in a little more detail. Before we begin, do you know the difference between weather and climate? Weather is the condition of the temperature and atmosphere at a particular time, while climate is more of an overall view of an area's temperature and precipitation. Let's take a look at what affects climate. One of the factors that affects climate is location. Latitude and elevation affect climate due to the intensity and duration of sun exposure. If you live near the equator or in an area where you receive a lot of intense sun exposure, you're probably going to have a hotter climate. Another factor that affects climate is water. If the area is close to a large body of water, then the climate is probably going to be moister. If you live in a subtropical location, such as Florida, you know what I'm talking about. Florida is known for many things, humidity being one of them. A lot of water vapor mixed with the intense heat makes summers in Florida very hot and muggy. However, if you go to North Dakota or a state in the middle of the US, you'll find there is little to no humidity due to the absence of a large body of water. One final factor that affects an area's climate is topography. Topography is the physical layout of an area, as in whether or not there are mountains or plains. The positions of mountain ranges can indicate the climate of an area. Mountains can block the movement of moisture carried in from the ocean, causing one side of the mountain to be wet and the other side to be dry. Thanks for watching. Next time you travel, think about the area you're in and observe the climate. Then try to figure out what's affecting that climate.